In this episode, we take on lap joints. Welcome to Straight 6 and I'm Grant Tommy, helping you build your hot rod and your confidence without a ton of money. And this week we are taking on lap joints with the Everlast 206Pi 3-in-1 inverter machine. Arc welding, of course, is what we're trying. And we've already done butt joints, we've already done T-joints, so it's time we try lap joints, much like last week. Prepped our material, ready to go. We will dress these up a little bit, probably one more pass this week, but I did want to take a moment before we just dive into it with the lap joint exercise and just say this may actually be the last What We Weld In Weekly for some time. And I'll tell you why. Well, first off, they're performing really horribly on my channel. I'm not getting very many views out of them. Work's really crazy right now, and you know, with them not performing well, I almost wonder if I'm driving traffic away from me, because people have come here, you know, they're used to the Fairmont content, they're used to content like that. So I want to make sure I get kind of back on track. So those are two reasons. Another reason is, yeah, super busy at work, and then this week I posted up my video on a beginner's welding forum and kind of got throttled by somebody, you know, when I was like admitting to how poor the T-joints turned out, right? I just got to think, it's like, you know what, all these things, I don't really need that in my life. So we're going to put a pause on it. I'm going to be out here every Monday welding 2 hours a night anyway, and so you'll still be able to follow that hashtag on Instagram. But I might just take a break for a while, because I mean, it's been kind of hard to keep up with 2 episodes a week. But so anyway, this will be the last episode you see for a while. You will get another one of these episodes at some point, because, you know, while let the cat out of the bag, I plan on building an off-road bumper for my Toyota Tacoma. I plan on building like a trophy for a car show, so doing some artwork stuff with the TIG welder. But anyway, that's too long of a monologue. Let's get to some lap joints. We've got our pieces all tacked up. We did them slightly different way each time. Kind of the step look, narrow stepped, and then, I don't know, hill peak or something. Anyway, yeah, we're just gonna try something here. A couple different techniques like we've been doing all each week, but yeah, there we go. Let's get going. Here we are. So this was actually with the shorter rod, and I was struggling with similar things that I was struggling with on T-joint week, getting this void. But new rod, the bottom 2/3, look at that. Pretty dang happy with that. So anyway, we'll get back at it. Well, back again to Gap City, right in there. So, oddly enough, like I find usually the shorter rod's easier to manage, but the longer rods kind of give better rod angle, and I don't know. Still really happy about that. I guess this is why I compare welding to golf. It's like as soon as you get a good drive in golf and you think you've got it figured out, you tee up for the next hole and you just shank it. Same thing here. Lay down one nice bead, next go around, thinking you have it. Burn. Okay, first pass, still struggling. Much like the T-joints. Second pass, however, struggled at first, but then when we got, you know, again, last 2/3, really nice bead. So, really happy with that. A little bit of undercut on the leading edge, the top edge. So yeah, I could probably fine tune my heat there a little bit, and maybe my puddle, like how tight I am with my puddle. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, wouldn't you know, more the same. I had a little bit of a good run here, but yeah, not great. However, then, final run of the night, probably the best one. So this is probably my longest run. Really happy with that. This is where I started. I think I kind of got it figured out here. You know, what is that? Last 5/6 of the piece, or probably not that much. Probably 3/4. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my practice pieces, maybe put them together a little bit and see if I can't get more of this. Well, I wrapped up the night by I took all the three pieces and welded them together, but we did a butt joint right down the middle of the 3 stacks, and man, that turned out really good. So certainly in passing the butt welding class, I'm close on the lap joint class. But I got a ways to go on the T-joint class, and yeah, like I said, you know, this might be the last What We Weld in Weekly for a while. Again, I'll fire it back up at some point, but it's just kind of like that, you know, why am I adding extra stress to my life? Why am I doing all of this extra stuff for little payoff? And well, let's put it this way. I guess unless you guys really change my mind in the comments below, the return on investment for putting videos together just isn't great compared to, I'd rather just spend that extra time continuing to weld. So anyway, we'll see. So this will be the last one for who knows how long, but you'll get them again before too long. Trust me, the series isn't over for the year. It's just over for now. So if you want to get caught up on where we've come in this series, well, I will leave some videos over here for you to check out. You can go, if you haven't seen them all, go check out one of those. Otherwise, like, comment, share, subscribe. I don't care which one you do, as long as you do one. It really helps the channel out. That's going to do it for this episode. Until next time, peace out.